Good morning, Mighty Bulldog. This is Miss Malukas with your morning announcements on this thundering thinking Throwback Thursday. Today is April the 22nd. Today is a bee day. This song is certainly a throwback for me. Love Green Day. Love Thursday mornings. These pictures also were a fun throwback experience. We used to take students into the community to pick up trash and do other community service things. See how we used to go into the wild without masks? It was great. You guys remember Loteria nights? I think this one on the right here was in the cafeteria during lunch. I think I may have been asking for help with the lines last year during lunch duty, but it still makes me smile. There's some of our former students, some of our current seniors that I love, and this is one of my favorite juniors. This note, it's hard to read, but a student wrote, "Do you want to go out?" And another student circled yes when given the option yes or no. Fun times, thinking about the past. Happy Thursday, y'all. Let's get started. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please remain standing or simply silent and respectful for an additional moment of silence. Thanks, guys. Before we get any further, the snacks are back. Miss Mary Jane Cervantes, who graces our presence during middle school and high school lunches for our in-person students, has returned and has restacked the snack carts. So you can expect to see her today and for the rest of the week, offering some additional choices for your nourishment. Make sure that you still get, as you have been doing, you still get your lunches from CMP. But know that she will be back and ready to provide all of the wonderful things that she does. Thank you for continuing to be respectful and polite and saying thank you, because she does this not because she has to, but because she wants to. Exciting stuff. More exciting stuff, birthdays. Lots of birthdays to announce today. Happy birthday to Melissa Mendez Lopez in 7th grade. Happy birthday to Natalia Gonzalez, also in 7th grade. Happy birthday to Luis Garcia Jaimes in 8th grade. And then, happy birthday to Miss Anna Azendorf. Miss Azendorf is one of our college counselors. She is an amazing addition to our staff. I can't imagine doing the work we do without her. If you are a senior, if you are a junior, if you go to this school and ever wish to graduate with the hope of college, you are going to interact with her. We all benefit from her, staff, students, employees alike. I hope that everyone is having a phenomenal birthday. Two less important people just out in the world that you guys share your birthdays with. Machine Gun Kelly, underrated, overrated? You tell me, let me know. And then David Luiz, he's an Arsenal defender. It's like, I guess worth mentioning. But happiest of happy birthday. I hope you all are enjoying your Thursday. And if you see each other or you know each other, send a Teams message or just say happy birthday. This day in history, April 22nd, 1970, the first Earth Day. Earth Day, an event to increase public awareness of the world's environmental problems, is celebrated in the United States for the first time on April 22, 1970. Millions of Americans, including students from thousands of colleges and universities, participated in rallies, marches, and educational programs across the country. Earth Day was the brainchild of Senator Nelson of Wisconsin, a staunch environmentalist who hoped to provide unity to the grassroots environmental movement and increase ecological awareness. The objective was to get a nationwide demonstration of concern for the environment so large that it would shake the political establishment out of its lethargy, out of its sleepiness. Senator Nelson said, and finally force this issue permanently onto the national political agenda. The 1962 publication of Rachel Carson's book, Silent Spring, about the effects of pesticides is often cited as the beginning of the modern environmental movement in the U.S. Sustainability, organic eating, and the Back to the Land movement continued to gain steam throughout the 1960s. The first Earth Day indeed increased environmental awareness in America, and in July of 1970, the Environmental Protection Agency was established by special executive order to regulate and enforce national pollution legislation. Earth Day also led to the passage of the Clean Water and Endangered Species Act. It's very fitting that Miss Azendorf was born on Earth Day, as she loves plants. Fun fact. Unrelated, but also important, if you or someone you know is struggling with substance abuse, check out these resources. Reach out to someone on campus that you trust. We're here for you. ACT calculators. This continues to be a hot topic. If you have a calculator, please return it. Thank you guys for wearing blue yesterday. We had great turnout from both students and staff. Remember that April is Autism Awareness Month. The Anxiety Club is still happening. Miss Deborah Williams is still the point person. Prom! Prom is May 14th for our seniors. It will be at the Austin Central Library. It's not too late. Reach out to Miss Estrada for more info. If you're an 11th and 12th grader interested in becoming a mentor, this slide is for you. If you're a 9th and 10th grader interested in getting a mentor, this slide is for you. Check your grades. Reach out to me or your GTL or any of your teachers if you need help with PowerSchool. I appreciate those of you who this week have reached out after announcements. I'm happy to help you. It's okay. Doesn't matter if you feel like you should know. It's okay. No matter where you're at, this is the time to ask. Don't wait. Attendance. Come to class. Please pause here for more info on 6th, 7th, and 8th grade schedules. Here's 9th and 10th. Juniors and seniors, this slide is for you. Questions? Please text us at 512-814-5326 during normal school hours. Follow us on Facebook. This will be really important, guys. The Facebook thing for end-of-year events like graduation, like merit trips, like trips in general that we'd like to take our in-person students. Like making sure you know what's happening during the summer meal pickups. If you haven't followed our Facebook page, please, please, please take a moment, do so now. Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. If no one else tells you today, remember that we love you, believe in you, and always will. It's time for Move This World. Have a great day, y'all. I love you, I miss you. So glad to see so many of you in person. Look forward to seeing more of you soon and hearing from those of you online, if not.